Thanks, George. Good tease.
All right.
Well, now let's get outside to Jason to hear all about a big canine competition coming to San Diego. Jason, looks like fun.
It's going to be fun. That's right. It happens every year. It's the annual Make-A-Wish Wags for Wishes. Chris Sitchell, the executive director of Make-A-Wish, joins us. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
Great to be here, and we got the dogs going already. Tell us about this event. You do it every year. It's for such a good cause.
Well, this is the 6th annual Wags for Wishes in San Diego, and the goal is that this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, about 1,500 dogs and their handlers and their owners will be down at Otay Ranch Town Center, and they'll be running a number of different events throughout the weekend. Events with small dogs, big dogs, events that are for highly trained dogs, and events that just anybody and their dog can come out for. And the thing that happens with this is all the money raised goes to the Make-A-Wish Foundation so that we can grant wishes to kids with life-threatening illnesses.
That's great. Now, Chris, are you encouraging people to bring their pets out to this? Or is...
Absolutely, absolutely. Come one, come all. As long as your pet is well behaved, come out. There'll be a lot of things to do. Vendor Village. There'll be a lot of events you can try that you can watch. Just so much fun for the whole family.
Yeah, I mentioned if you have a dog and you want to get your dog to learn something new like these dogs here, you could probably meet people and also find out more about Make-A-Wish, the great causes, and how all this money goes to work for the Make-A-Wish Foundation.
That's right, and it takes hundreds of people to put this event on, and there are people from all over this region who come down who make this happen. And the one thing we all have in common is that we love kids, and we want to make sure that a kid who's going through a tough time with a life-threatening condition gets whatever their wish might be. They wish to go somewhere, have something, meet somebody. That's what we're here for, is to bring some hope, strength, and joy to them.
Those are some of the best stories we see. ESPN ran one just last week about a kid who wanted to be a Pittsburgh Steeler for a day. And it just warms your heart. So these handlers, where did you find all these people that come out for this?
Well, these folks are from all over the area. Many of them are in different dog clubs. And this competition, this is agility that you're seeing. And this is a competition that's going to be down at Wags for Wishes this weekend. And so these folks are from all over the place. And again, the one thing they have in common is they love Make-A-Wish and they love their dogs. And so they're out here this morning. And there'll be a junior handlers. There's a couple young ladies here today. Saturday, there'll be a competition for junior handlers.
Okay, and there's a full screen right there, right on your TV, everything you need to see. Saturday at 1 o'clock, and it's at the Otay Ranch Town Center. This actually goes Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And they can go to our website for more information. Chris Sitchell, thank you so much for coming out with your handlers, your dogs, and great time out here. Some great dogs. We'll send it back inside with Whitney, traffic and weather on the ones. Hey, Whit.
Hey, thanks, Jason. I think they're anxious. What do you think?
Yes. They are definitely driven.
Yeah, they're ready to go.
Motivated.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
We'll see you.
We're going to go that way, and they're going to go this way.
Right.
NBC 739 News is online all the time. Click on NBCSanDiego.com.
Everyday favorites, Emma Fighting Mom.